What's going on, guys? Zenith here, and welcome back to the channel. And I have another pre-building website for you guys, but this time we're at Ibuypower, and I'm doing this because these RAM prices and the GPU prices are all expensive, and nobody can afford to build a PC, and PC industry is just like it's hit a rough patch. But anyways, guys, if you look down in the description, you're going to see a link, and it's going to take you to this website. And once you get to this website, it's going to give you the option to pick a CPU. So we are going to pick Ryzen because you get more performance per dollar. Anyways, we are going to go down, and I'm going to go with FPS games because that's what I'm all about. You can choose something different. It's really not going to make a big difference. And will you be streaming? I'm not going to be streaming. I may stream later on, but not now. So this is going to keep the price low. Keep in mind, if you want to stream, the price is going to shoot up. So we're going to keep this off for now because we're looking for a budget build. Hey, I gotta get that PC on the budget. I got to. Okay, keep in mind before you select this. This is what's gonna decide what CPU you get, and GPU also, because later on you won't be able to customize it after that. So we are gonna look at Ryzen 5. Okay, Ryzen 5. That's a lot. All right, we're gonna have to hit up this Ryzen 3. We're gonna hit up this Ryzen 3. It's looking pretty promising. So we're gonna go to customize. And you'll get a selection of cases right here. So we're below the $1,000 mark, so I believe we can splurge a little bit on the case. Ooh, that Thermaltake. I mean Thermaltake. I love Thermaltake. Yeah, we're gonna keep that case. I like that case. I think it's 39 plus dollars, but that's fine. We're good with that. We're good with that. For memory, I'm gonna go with 8 gigabytes. Like I said in my previous videos, I think 8 gigabytes is enough for gaming. If you really want to like future-proof your device and things like that, I would go with 16 gigabytes, but I'm straight with 8. 1 terabyte hard drive, gotta have that. 120 gigabyte SSD, gotta have that. I cannot have a slow operating system. If any of my viewers out there are using a hard drive for their operating system, it will make a world of difference if you switch to SSD. I promise you, it's amazing. RGB case lighting's free, Wi-Fi is free. You gotta have that clean pro wiring. It has to be professional. Anything we do is gonna be professional. Virus protection, keyboard and mice included. Windows 10. They're not specific. They're not specific on which Windows 10 they give you. So I believe it's just home, but it doesn't really matter for gaming anyways. And you also get a 3-year warranty. So as you can see, we have all of the things we needed selected. You have your total savings, your subtotal. So we're just going to click add to cart to finish things up. Okay, when you get here, you'll see everything. I recommend a few things. You know, they gotta make the extra dollar at the end, but we ain't worried about that right now. So as you can see, you can make payments on it for $96 a month, which is also cool. And our subtotal is $1,090. And we're gonna look at the details. And we have a Ryzen 3 1300, which is all right. Liquid cooler. We can overclock. It's not a stock cooler. Video card Radeon RX 550, 2 gigabyte. Okay, to be honest with you, all I know is that it's a 2 gigabyte card. I don't know about AMD cards. I'm sorry. I'm a NVIDIA fan. Don't kill me for it, but I like NVIDIA. I don't hate AMD Radeon graphics cards because I know a couple of my friends have them, but I'm not really into that. I don't hate them though. I don't hate them. 1 terabyte hard drive, 120 gigabyte SSD. The most important part of the whole goddamn build. And RGB case lighting, which is also one of the most important things in the whole build. Wi-Fi, clean pro wiring, another important thing. And all the extra stuff. Keyboard and mice, you get that for free, included with your PC. So it's a really good price. And on top of that, you have a 3-year warranty. If you custom build, I know I don't want to start an argument with custom built PCs and pre-built PCs. Right now, custom builds are really expensive. No warranty, no assistance, no pro wiring. Because I mean, some of you guys may be professionals out there, but most of us aren't. Then you got the pre-built with the 3-year warranty, pro wiring, and assistance with any problems you need in the long run. And the price is super cheaper than doing doing a custom built PC. So the pre-built kind of winning the race right now. So this is the reason why I'm going with this. I mean, I'm usually with the custom builders, but this time with the prices like this, we have to be looking at some pre-built PCs. Well, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you liked the video, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe even try subscribing. My name is Zenith, and like always, I'll see you guys at the top.